Good morning, dear. Hope you all are fit and fine and going through the chapters, going through the videos which we are making. Beta, we all are putting much effort to collect the beautiful pictures, make videos for you. If you will see, it is worthy for us, for our time, effort. So please go through the videos and you will find all the problems will be solved. Means all the answers whichever curiosity you are having, you will get in these videos. Now we are going to study, chapter 13. Okay, I'm showing you chapter 13, and it is our famous leaders. Topic is our famous leaders. And my dear, in this chapter most of the freedom fighters faces there. Okay, so today I will explain you about those person who have fought in our war of independence. So now I am going to show you some. Shahid Bhagat Singh was an Indian socialist revolutionary, and this is the picture of Shahid Bhagat Singh. My dear, he was a Sikh. He was wearing turban, but this dress and this man's face, he opted to disguise himself from the British rule. He was from Punjab, and after the Jallianwala Bagh case, at the age of 13, he became a freedom fighter, and almost his whole family was a freedom fighter. Now see, Chandrasekhar Azad was contemporary of Bhagat Singh. And what is the meaning of this word? Means of the same time, same period. We are opting the same goal also. So this is the meaning of contemporary. And Chandrasekhar Azad was also a freedom fighter, and his name was Chandrasekhar Tiwari, my dear. But later on Azad was added in his name, because once when he was caught by the British government and he was asked, what is your name? He told Azad. And where is your home? Jail. From that time he was called as Chandrasekhar Azad. And what is your father's name? Then Independence, Swadhinta. From that time he was called as Chandrasekhar Azad. Now see, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was a senior leader of Indian National Congress and Indian Independence Movement. And see the picture of Gopal Krishna Gokhale. And he was a social reformer also, who founded an organization to work for underprivileged of India. Means right now what we are telling, BPL means below poverty line. At the time of independence he was doing the same work. Now I am sharing you the next slide. Lala Lajpat Rai was a great leader, freedom fighter, and he also initiated the foundation of Punjab National Bank. This was the first time that banking institute was initiated in our country. I am showing you the picture of Lala Lajpat Rai, and he was also known as Punjab Kesari. His nickname was given Punjab Kesari. Now see, Abul Kalam Azad. He was a journalist. He wrote against the anti-people policies of the British government. I am showing you the picture of Abul Kalam Azad. My dear, there are many ways to fight. Okay, right now if you will see the COVID war, some people are helping in hospital, some are working on the road to maintain discipline so that people should stay at home, some is supplying the oxygen, medicine. Some social worker NGOs or workers are doing collection and distributing food and something to the needy person. So this is the different way to help. And how he fought, just like Rabindranath Tagore, he was writing in the papers of that time about the anti people policies which British government was doing and making the people aware. Subhash Chandra Bose, he was a freedom fighter and founder of Indian National Army. He was from Kolkata, my dear, and he was also given the name of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, because he made a whole team of Indian National Army. Now Rajendra Prasad was a great leader, first president of India and one of the architects of the Indian Constitution. I am showing you the picture of Rajendra Prasad, and he was from Bihar and he was very intelligent. Once in his examination, teacher wrote that the student is better, the examinee is better than the examiner. So he was very sharp-minded person, and he is from Bihar. Now Jawaharlal Nehru, he was a great leader, freedom fighter and first Prime Minister of India. He was the first Prime Minister of India, and my dear, I think all of you know 3 things which he loved. And one is red rose, one is children, and the third is his country. And that's why on his birthday only Children's Day is celebrated. His birthday is on 14th November and he loved the children. That's why children used to call him Chacha Nehru also. He was given the nickname of Chacha Nehru. Now see Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel was a great leader and freedom fighter who played a great role in the integration of 500 princely states of India. I am showing you the picture of Vallabhbhai Patel, and his name was Vallabhbhai Patel, but he was given the nickname Lord Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, because of his firm decision, he was taking a definite and most important decisions. That's why he was named as Lord Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Now there are some questions from this chapter only. Who initiated the foundation of Punjab National Bank? And the person who initiated the foundation of Punjab National Bank was Lala Lajpat Rai. As we have read in this chapter. Now next question. Who was the first president of India? And right now I have explained Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and about Dr. Rajendra Prasad that he was from Bihar only. He was very sharp-minded and he has worked on the Constitution of India also. He is also called the architect of Indian Constitution. Next question. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? And first Prime Minister of India was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and his birthday is 14th November. And we celebrate it as Yours Day, means Children's Day. Because he loved the children, and children also used to call him as Chacha Nehru. Who was the founder of Indian National Army? And Mr. Subhash Chandra Bose. He was from Kolkata and he was the founder of Indian National Army. He made his own army to fight against the Britishers in the War of Independence, and that's why he was known as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Now comes, which freedom fighter played a great role in the integration of 500 princely states of India? And the answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Now thank you children for watching this video, and please go through these videos again and again, and whatever you are facing the problem you will get in these videos. Obey your parents, wear mask, and don't try to go out of the home. Beta, right now it is very difficult situation in our country and for us also. So if you will maintain all the discipline right now, soon we will meet together in school. So please maintain discipline. Thank you once more.